Hello everyone, today we are going to see how metals react in acid. So we require a dilute acid, that is a dilute HCl, and the metal which I have taken is aluminium. So we have aluminium as a metal and the acid is hydrochloric acid. Now take some amount of acid and put aluminium in it. After some time, the aluminium start reacting with acid and the gas comes out. This gas is nothing but it is a hydrogen gas. How can we prove? Just take a burning candle or burning matchstick and it will create pop pop sound. This shows that the hydrogen gas is coming out and the product is salt. Salt will be formed. Thank you.